Hello boys, I hope you guys are having a sexy day. Last night on the 9th of December, Carparking Multiplayer 1 got a new beta update. This time the devs decided to do some huge changes to the City 1 map and added 5 new cars to the game. The first car they added is a 2006 Porsche Carrera GT. The very same car that the legendary actor Paul Walker, who played in the Fast and Furious, sadly passed away in. The interior of this car is pretty much detailed. It's got a brown leather dashboard as well as a gray center console. When you buy this car, it'll come with this active aerodynamic spoiler installed, which by the by cannot be removed nor changed. The Porsche Carrera also has a premium no-roof body kit which costs 50 coins. Moreover, there's also 4 air vents, a tiny headlight, and some Christmas bull bars. This car costs 3,500 coins in the game store. And yes, it does support the W16 engine. With that being said, if you guys love Paul Walker, make sure to comment F to pay some respect to the legend. On this new update, we've also got some Christmas clothes for both male and female characters. As usual, they cost coins and look exactly the same for both genders, with some of them being premium. Now, unfortunately, we didn't get any new dance moves or parody modes. But on the bright side, we now have snow in the garage, which is fully decorated with Christmas trees and lights. The second car that have been added is a Mercedes-Benz S-Class Maybach. The developers definitely went all out on this car, as it has a lot of small details like this V12 emblem, for example, and this Mercedes logo. Not to mention, it probably has the best and most detailed interior in the game, which looks very much so like the interior this car has in real life.
Nice.
I feel like the developers got a lot of inspiration for this car from the Cookus mods. Also on the game store, it costs 3,000 coins and comes with 603 horsepower as stock. Before I show you guys the body kits and everything else that's on this update, I'd first like to talk about today's sponsor. Static Shift Racing is a mobile open-world street racing game where you explore a retro-styled city. You can freely drive around, take on a variety of races and challenges, and compete against other players online. A big focus of the game is deep vehicle customization. You can tweak performance parts, change body kits, paint jobs, rims, and more. The game features multiple race types like circuit races, sprints, and drift contests. In short, it combines free roam driving, competitive street racing, and extensive car tuning for a classic underground racing experience. You guys can click the first link on this video's description to download Static Shift Racing. Thank you so much Timbo Jimbo for sponsoring this video. Now let's jump back into it, boys. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class doesn't have any body kits. It's only got a couple of spoilers, an option to remove and install the V12 emblem and the shiny silver window trim. The rest are just the Christmas bull bars that were on the previous car. On this new update, we can now open and close the sunroof of the Mazda RX-8. Furthermore, we now have the option to open and close car doors, bonnet, and the trunk for the following cars. Some of these cars even got new body kits, which we'll have a look at later on the video. By the way, if you guys have made it this far, make sure to comment W so I know who the real channel supporters are.
W's in the shot.
The remaining 3 cars that were added to the new update is a Toyota GR Yaris, a limited edition 1989 Jaguar SUV, and last but not least, we've got a BMW 5 Series E34. On the game store, the Yaris cost $1.385 million. The Jaguar cost $1.65 million, and the BMW cost 1,500 gold coins. Now that we've seen all the important stuff, let's have a look at the body kits, car sounds, and the City 1 map.